Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for my winter 2021 night routine. Make sure you hit that like button. It means so much to me. And if you're brand new to my channel, hit subscribe because I have new videos for you every single week. So this is my everyday, like midweek night routine. I have this brand new desk that I'm like obsessed with because it's so big and has so much space, but it also means I have more space to spread out on. So I try to straighten up at the end of the day so that when I come in the next morning, it's nice and clean. And then I've been going live on Instagram every single morning for our daily 10 workouts and bonus moves for our challenge. So between that and then sitting for 8+ hours a day, I've been trying to spend about 15 minutes every night, right when I finish working, stretching out and foam rolling. If you haven't seen this yet, it's our LSF 2-in-1 foam roller that I made, and I am obsessed with it. So I'll put the link down below for you guys too. But it has the nice hard outer like foam roller and then the softer inner one. So it really hits my hips and my neck and everything just how I need it. And then at the end, when I'm done stretching, I'll head into the kitchen and take my Persona Nutrition. I've been taking these vitamins for over a year now, you guys, which I was always the worst. I was never consistent at taking my vitamins, but I have a morning and an evening pack from them. And it's just so nice because it's all personalized. Having hypothyroidism, it's really important for me to make sure I'm getting the right nutrients and nothing that would like interact with my medication. So basically, you go online and take an assessment. I'll put the link down below. It's totally free. And then you can get the vitamins delivered right to your house. They're super quality ingredients, which is amazing. And you have a nutritionist that they pair you with that you can reach out to if you have questions about your vitamin packs or if you need to make any changes to them. And that's really, really nice to know that you always have that support of someone who is educated, knows what you need, and you can make those adjustments. So if you're like me and you need an easy way to make sure you're getting all your vitamins, go check out Persona, take the assessment. I'll put the link down below for you guys. And I'm so glad I could partner with Persona Nutrition to sponsor this video so I could share my whole night routine. So I'm gonna wash my hair tonight, which only happens like once a week, and I usually do it on Sundays, but my hair just like has been growing more, which is amazing, but it's also been kind of greasy. So I've been washing it a little more often, like twice a week for the past month or so. I don't know, I feel like that happens every winter. I'm not totally sure why. Something with the weather probably. I should look into it. Anyway, I'm gonna do a hair mask first. This is from Olaplex. It's been my go-to for years. So I try to do this once a week. It's the number 3. And you just have to dampen your hair first, and then from the root all the way to the tip, I'll put it in. I like to put a lot in because I feel like my hair is very dry. So I really try to cover every strand of hair. And you can leave this on for 10 minutes. When I'm short on time, I'll do 10 minutes to a half hour, but sometimes I'll even leave it on overnight. For right now, I'm just gonna put it on while I start to prep dinner and get all of that stuff ready before I actually shower. So I did some meal prepping because I'm doing the Hot Body meal plan right now. I did it on Sunday, but I have a few things that I have already gone through. So my brown rice, I'm gonna make taco bowls tonight, so I'm just gonna Instapot brown rice. I always like to use a chicken stock or bone broth when I make my rice because one, it gives it way more flavor, but then I also get added benefits of proteins and minerals. Okay, you guys, I'm doing a dry-ish January, not fully dry, but I don't know if you have tried Ritual Zero Proof. It is so awesome because I just love the idea of making cocktails. That's so much fun for me. I don't necessarily need the alcohol, and right now I'm trying to cut down on the extra calories and honestly just keeping my focus and everything. I have a lot of projects in the works and I don't need to be drinking throughout the week or too much on the weekend. So Brian and I have been making these mocktails with the Ritual. They have a tequila, a gin, and a whiskey. I'm a big margarita girl, so I'm making margaritas for our taco bowls tonight. And it really just helps cut down on the calories, on the carbs. There's no gluten, and then I can avoid having alcohol midweek when I want a cocktail, but I don't want to have to drink. After about 20 minutes or so, I'm gonna shower and wash my hair to rinse out the mask. So again, you just rinse it out and then you do your normal hair routine. I feel like you guys always want to know what I'm using on my hair, and I'm obviously not taking you in the shower. So I use the Kevin Murphy shampoo and conditioner and then that Necessaire body wash. After I'm showered, I will wash my face. So I do a pre-wash in the shower, but then I like to really get in deep once I get out to do my full skincare routine. So sometimes the Foreo goes too long and I want to move on with my routine. I'm still using the Curology. It's just like the personalized medication one to help keep my skin nice and clear, and it's made a huge difference for sure. So I put that on first, and then I do my moisturizer, which is just like a really nice, rich, creamy overnight moisturizer. And I always make sure I get my chest and my neck. Like, your skin is not just on like your face, you guys. You have to take care of all of your skin. And I've noticed like in my chest especially. So I'll do my eye cream, some oil, and really pressing that oil in. Again, going up motions from my chest to my neck. And then I have this little crystal that's supposed to help with like lymphatic drainage and reducing wrinkles, and I don't know. I never know for sure if it really makes a difference, but honestly, it feels really good, and why not give it a try? It's kind of like that extra little bit of self-care. And yes, I just continue all the oils because it's my slippery seal nature, as Ryan would say. Lather it all up. I have the driest skin with my hypothyroidism. This is a really, really nice moisturizer that I absolutely love. So I'll link all of that stuff down below for you guys. And I'm the worst about remembering to take my ring off, so I try to just clean it if I forget to take it off when I'm putting on moisturizer. This is like a detangler, heat protector, all the things for my hair. So I like to let my hair air dry about 80% before I actually do anything to it. But if I don't like blow dry it or do something, it'll get really frizzy just because it's so dry. So I'll just let it be now while I finish prepping dinner and everything. But then I'll show you guys what I'm using to dry my hair once it's almost there. All right, so I made all this chicken. It has my taco seasoning from the Guiltless Nutrition Guide seasoned in it. I did it in the Instapot yesterday, so it's ready to go for dinner tonight. And now it's mocktail time. So I grated up some ginger. I have lemons and limes. I'm gonna go like full out making this like a legit margarita. And again, I just love the Ritual Zero Proof because they use botanicals, like all the real stuff. So it has like a little kick, and it tastes like a legit margarita without the alcohol, without the calories. Like, it's so good, you guys. So I'm using a little monk fruit sweetener to help cut like obviously the lemon and lime and give it that like yummy margarita taste. And I love it because I don't have to measure with the Ritual because it's non-alcoholic. So I just pour it on in, taste it, make sure it's good to go, and then I'll pour it over ice. And this is like the lemon ginger from Trader Joe's, the bubbly water, which is so good for being just all natural with flavor. And then for the bowl, I'm using just some mixed greens and spinach. I'll do about a like cup of rice. This is actually Ryan's bowl that I'm making, but same. He just gets more of everything. And then these are just like some healthy refried beans, which normally I just use whole black beans, but I didn't have any. I had these, so cool. We're gonna give them a try. And I had meal prepped some sweet potato the other day, so I have that in there. Getting like healthy carbs, my greens, my protein with that chicken. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. It was so good. And then avocado. This is my avocado cutting hack, by the way. If you don't cut your avocado like this, you need to. It's gonna change your life. Literally change your life. Down the middle, down the side, boom. 4 quarters is perfect. So I usually will just eat a quarter of an avocado. That's 1 serving. And Ryan, look at our living room, you guys. It's so pretty and new. What I was gonna say is Ryan and I always just sit on the floor in our living room, and I was like, oh yeah, you haven't, I don't think, seen the whole finished living room since we redid it. And this is just our thing. I don't know when it started years ago. We just don't sit at the table unless we're having like a fancy dinner. We just like to chill and hang out, and it's what works for us. So after dinner, my cute little koala slippers. My mom always gets me the cutest little slippers. After dinner, I'll use this is the new like Dyson air wand Ryan got me for Christmas. I'm sure it has a better like actual name, but that's what I call it. I'll link it down below for you guys. And it's so nice with my hair, especially having hypo. Again, it's so dry and gets damaged so easy. So this is like low heat. It's just using air to actually like curl it and dry it at the same time. And there's a bunch of different attachment heads that you can get for it, and they're all amazing. But look, like I seriously feel like I just got a blowout. I did it at home. That's gonna save so much money over time, and it's less damaging for my hair. So after it's all dry and looking pretty, even though I don't need it to because I'm going to bed, I usually will make us a dessert. These are little gluten-free like cinnamon raisin English muffins. So Ryan and I will each have one. I'm putting almond butter on them and slicing up some banana. And when I'm doing the Hot Buddy meal plan, I always just give Ryan like more of everything because he needs more calories. And then a little cinnamon on top and some coconut shreds. Oh my gosh, look how good that looks. Hello. Yes, delicious. And it's such a perfect little dessert. Like, it's a sweet treat, but it's so healthy and exactly what I needed. Then I've been spending time right before I go to bed just relaxing, trying to zen out. So I light a candle. I love this little lighter that I got. I'll brush my teeth, obviously, and floss them, which you don't need to see. I feel like watching people floss is so gross. Anyway, brush my teeth. I always will stretch. Ryan always walks in on me and is like, what are you doing? But I try to make the most out of my time, multitasking, and my hips have been so tight. So anyway, stretching those out. I have my thyroid medication that I am taking at night too. So I take two actually in the morning, 2 different ones, and then one of those at night also. And I just got my levels back and everything is actually like perfect where it needs to be, which is so exciting. That hasn't happened in so long. So I'm just hoping this stays. And I made a new little thyroid oil blend that I've been putting on at night. It smells so good, and all of the essential oils in it are supposed to be really calming and then also have some like thyroid benefits. And Ryan got me this amazing little thing. It's called Core. It's for like meditation because I'm so bad at meditating normally, but it helps like stimulate your hands while you meditate to keep you focused, which is really cool. And I just obviously I lather myself in all the things at night. It's like a whole ritual. So this is just like a CBD salve for your muscles to relax. This is my absolute favorite lip balm. It's like a lip repair and feels so good and helps with all my dry lips. Like, it's been a game changer for me for sure. And spray a little bit of nighttime mist all over myself and our pillows. And that is it, you guys. That is like my whole night routine. Pretty simple, straightforward, and then it is time to go to sleep. I hope you guys liked seeing what I do every single night. If you did, again, hit that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week.